Hi, I'm Sandy here with Sherri, and we are HomeShow Garden Pros. We're going to talk about tools, using the right tool.
Yeah.
And we have got Corona tools, but this in particular is a soil scoop. Mm-hmm. And you're going to tell me how I can use this best.
Yeah, I love this soil scoop by Corona. They've made planting easy again, right? And we love making it fun and easy. So planting can be a daunting task to some people. If you don't have the right tools, your hands get tired. So some of the key features on this particular tool is the curved design, the point.
Yeah.
Show them what it, how easy.
Yeah.
I mean, you just get in there,
You
pull
can get
your
in there and
soil
pull it
back.
out. Yes. And in our clay soil, that's going to be helpful.
Yeah, and if you're planting things like bulbs and you need soil depth, it has inches right here. So it's a built-in dibble. So you need to go 3 inches, you go to right here.
That's great.
Another one of my favorite features on here is the serrated sides that helps you get through heavy clay soils or, cutting through little roots. Or when you pull your plant out of the pot and you need to break up the roots a little bit, just a little
kind of
tug on those roots.
massaging with it with the little serrated edges.
Yeah, so it's many
much
tools
easier.
all in one, and this comfort grip.
Yeah, exactly.
Your hand does not get tired.
Look at that.
Yeah.
The fingers just fit on there.
Yeah.
Oh,
so
wonderful.
It makes playing in the dirt way more fun.
It does. So Corona Tools, I love the soil scoop. Check it out. One will be in my garage very soon.
Absolutely.
And I'm Sandy. I've been here with Sherri. We are HomeShow Garden Pros. You can hear us every Saturday morning from 7 to 9. You can also go to HomeShowGardenPros.com and watch videos like this.
Absolutely.
And learn more information. So this has been HomeShow Garden Pros. Happy gardening.